Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the earbuds have enough power and your phone is ready. Open the case and watch for the blinking white LED which indicates pairing mode. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and launch the Jabra Sound Plus app to speed device discovery. Make sure no other active Bluetooth audio is connected. If it is, disconnect that device. By initiating these steps now, you avoid delays and streamline the automatic pairing handshake between your Jabra Elite 3 and your phone. You'll now pair and configure the headset. In Bluetooth, choose Jabra Elite 3, tap to connect and watch the app guide you through firmware checks and permissions. Once paired, make sure to grant audio and microphone access so calls and media work properly. If the earbuds don't appear, press and hold both earbuds for 3 to 5 seconds to re-enter pairing mode, then refresh the Bluetooth list. Also, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is not actively blocked by airplane mode or low power restrictions. You're at the finish line. Test playback and make a quick call to verify microphone and stereo balance. Adjust ear tips until you have a secure seal for best bass and passive noise reduction. If audio stutters or connection drops, reset the earbuds by placing them in the case and holding the button for 10 seconds, then repair. Make sure the firmware is up to date in the app because many issues are resolved by updates. If faults continue, contact Jabra support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.